As long as power feels distant, placed somewhere outside the cell, it becomes easy for authority to rise above everyone else. When strength is seen as foreign or granted by unseen decree, people forget their own capacity and hand away sovereignty. The truth lives closer than imagined, not above, not far away. The force that shapes all worlds moves through people every day. No one is born with greater power. No one stands above the rest. Only what is freely entrusted ever leaves the chest. Equality begins in knowing that spirit is alive in all. What is elevated within humanity allows false thrones to I recognize the source of power is present, equal and clear. Nothing rules above awareness. When